rig it, didn't they? Who would do such a thing?
Yeah, I know, right? Imagine rigging a minigame. Ah!
Champion battle sequence deactivated.
That was close. We almost lost. Thank you for saving us.
Oh, the door's closed now. Hey, I think you should press that button to open the door over
yeah,
there.
that button? Yeah, that one opens this door.
You know, I would gladly press the red button, but I mean, we had a long day and we're tired, so we'll just wait right here until you press it.
Do I press the button? Do I press the button? I mean, what other choice do I have?
Battler? Any day now. Just press the red button and we can all get out of here.
Initiating battle sequence.
I'm so sorry. You're better at minigames than us anyway. Think of it as teamwork.
Round 1. Bella versus Battler in Lava Escape. Here are the rules.
Traverse the obstacles to get to the top of the volcano, but don't fall into the rising lava.
Oh my god, it's character Arthro. What? Don't tell me I gotta redo that.
And the winner is Bella. Better luck next time.
Don't tell me I gotta go through that thing again.
Battler! Press it now! The red button! Press it!
I don't know if
Battler!
I can do this.
Press it now!
I
The
don't
red
know.
button! Press it!
I don't know if I can do this. Oh my god, like I feel broken on the inside.
Oh no! We're running out of time!
I feel so broken. Oh my god, dude. Oh no. Are you serious? So if I die at all on any of them, I gotta redo it.
The sequence feels like it'll never end!
Oh my god.
Oh no! We're running out of time!
Please press the red button. It's on the top of the dome. Wah! Please press the red button. It's on the top of the dome.
It'll all be worth it if I get the hood though. If I get the hood, worth it.